Good morning. How are you all today? Thank you for visiting with us and welcome to Bible class with Andre and Betty. We're continuing our series from the book of First Chronicles, and today we're in chapter 2. And we'll begin it by looking at the sons of Jacob. And we know in the book of Genesis that the name Jacob was changed to Israel. And so in Chronicles, rarely, every now and then you'll see the name Jacob, but most of the time it's Israel. And so beginning at verse 1, these are the sons of Israel. Reuben, Simeon, Levi, and Judah. Issachar and Zebulun, Dan, Joseph, and Benjamin. Naphtali, Gad, and Asher, these 12 sons. Four mothers birthed these sons. Leah had 6 sons, Rachel had 2, and the 2 midwives had 2 apiece. And so God changed their name to Israel because Israel means a prince with God, whereas Jacob means supplanter or deceiver. And we remember how we read about the birthright between Esau and Jacob and how Jacob got the birthright. Now, last time we were in First Chronicles, beginning at verse 35, we saw the sons of Esau. But today we're looking at the sons of Jacob or the sons of Israel. And so these 12 sons born to Jacob. And the sons of Judah. And the purpose of all this is leading us to the bloodline up to the coming of Jesus in his earthly ministry. And so verse 3, the sons of Judah, and Onan, and Shelah, which 3 were born unto him of the daughter of Shua the Canaanite, and the firstborn of Judah, was evil in the sight of the Lord, and he slew him. God slew him. God has perfect foreknowledge, and this son was evil in the sight of the Lord. Verse 4, and Tamar, his daughter-in-law, bare him Pharez and Zerah. All the sons of Judah were 5, so 2 of them were grandsons. Verse 5, the sons, and you'll see how each out of however many children, you'll see the ones that continue the bloodline as we go through. So Pharez, the sons of Pharez, Hezron, and Hamel. Verse 6, the sons of Zerah, Zimri, and Ethan, and Heman, and Carcol, and Dara, 5 of them in all. And the sons of Carmi, Achan, the troubler of Israel, who transgressed in the thing accursed. And that's from the book of Joshua. Verse 8, the sons of Ethan, Azariah, the sons also of Hezron that were born unto him, Jeremiel, and Ram, and Shelobai. Now Shelobai will be called Caleb when we get to verse 18. Verse 10, and Ram begat Abinadab, and Abinadab begat Nahshon, prince of the children of Judah. And Nahshon begat Salmah, and Salmah begat Boaz, the book of Ruth. And Boaz begat Obed, and Obed begat Jesse, the father of King David. Now we'll be looking at Jesse's sons, verse 13. And Jesse begat his firstborn, Eliab, and Aminadab the second, and Shema the third, Nethanel the fourth, Rede the fifth, Ozam the sixth, David the seventh. Now, it's recorded in 2 Samuel, I believe, First Samuel, Jesse had 8 sons, but that 8th son refers to Jesus as being the firstborn to Mary and Joseph. And I've studied all of this throughout the Bible, and if you all have any comments, just let me know. And so Jesse begat his firstborn, and David was the 7th, whose sisters were Zeruiah and Abigail. David's sisters were Zeruiah and Abigail. We studied about them in the Kings. And the sons of Zeruiah, Abishai and Joab, and Asahel, 3. Now Joab will become the general of David's army. And Abigail begat Amasa, that's his sister. And the father of Amasa was Jether the Ishmaelite. So we can see how mixed races are getting together and having children. Verse 18. And Caleb, this is the one called Shelobah in the earlier verse 4. And Caleb, the son of Hezron, begat children of Azubah, his wife, and of Jerioth, is a wife. Her sons are these. Jerioth's son is these, Jeshur, and Shobab, and Ordon. Verse 19. And when Azubah was dead, Caleb took unto him Ephrath, which bare him Hur. And Hur begat Uri, and Uri begat Bezalel. So in Exodus chapter 31 or so, God calls this son of Uri, Bezalel, to be the architect and builder to build the tabernacle. And that's in Exodus 31, verses 1 and 2. Verse 21. And afterward Hezron went in to the daughter of Mashir, the father of Gilead, whom he married when he was 80 years old, and she bare him Segub. And Segub begat Jair, who had 23 cities in the land of Gilead. And he took Jeshur and Abraham with the towns of Jair from them, with Kenath and the towns thereof, even 80 cities. All these belong to the sons of Mashir, the father of Gilead, and these are descendants from Manasseh. Verse 24. And after that, Hezron was dead, and Caleb Ephratah. Then Abiah, Hezron's wife, bare him Asher, the father of Decorah. So we're going to stop here for today, and we'll pick up to conclude next week or next time from beginning with verse 25. So these names and places and things is difficult reading, but over the past 56 years, I've been studying verse by verse throughout the whole Bible. And so I don't know it all. This is why I ask you to make comments or ask questions at your leisure when you view these lessons. So you all have a great day and a great week. Bye.